Everyone, so my name is Kylie and I'm going to be showing you today how I scuff sand. I get asked so many questions about this, and so today I thought I'll put together a video to show you exactly how I do it. So the first thing that we do is we clean the entire piece down before we sand. I have to admit this is not my favourite part, but it's crucial for a beautiful finish. It's really important to make sure that you clean your piece down, as you don't want to be sanding in any old dirt or grease into your timber. Now you can see here I've folded a piece of sandpaper using a 120 grit or 180 grit, and this is just pretty much what you call scuff hand sanding. So working along the grain of the timber. So basically you just want to remove the shine. So you're not necessarily removing all of the old stain. You just want to scuff up just to remove part of the shine of the existing varnish. So scuff sanding works on several surfaces, as you can see here. I'm scuff sanding rattan, ready for painting. Now because this is a larger piece, I'm using my orbital sander for this one, and I'm again doing the same process, however just removing the sheen, and this works to be a quicker process for big items like these. So you may be wondering, if you're a beginner, why you have to scuff sand and what is its purpose. So the reason is pretty simple. Because we need to scuff sand so we can ensure that the paint, the primer, will stick to the surface. Another most common question is, why don't I have to sand the entire piece all back? So sanding back to raw. Now this could be a common mistake that a lot of people make, and they think they have to sand it all back to complete raw and then paint, and it's not the case. If you were to sand it back completely to raw, you would find that the fibres in the timber or the wood would rise, and that's not what you want. So the purpose of prep is to ensure that the surface is clean, dry and lightly sanded, so therefore your paint can stick to a smooth surface. Here is a secret tip. So wrap sandpaper around an old card, like a driver's license or credit card or whatever it may be, and it helps just to get into the little fine area details, like on this cabinet I have here that has a lip. I hope you like this video. Please comment, like and subscribe.